Students, let's start the next topic, ratio. Before start the ratio, let's discuss some points. Suppose that there are two numbers, 200 and 50. If we compare these two numbers, 200 and 50, we conclude that 200 is greater than 50 by 200 minus 50 means 150. Okay. We compare these numbers by another method also, that 200 is 4 times then 4 times then 50. 200 is 4 times then 50 and 200 is greater than 50 by 150. Means there are 2 points to compare. So in this method we subtract the smaller quantity from the greater quantity. This means this is called the comparison by subtraction, and this is called comparison by division. So we conclude that we can compare two numbers by two methods, comparison by subtraction and comparison by division. So now we discuss only this point, comparison by subtraction. In this point we already discussed that 200 is 4 times then 50. 200 is 4 times then 50. To find out its mathematical relation, we write 200 upon 50 by division method. So 200 by 50. This is a fraction. This is a fraction simply. When we convert this fraction in its lowest term, we get 50 4 200, 4 upon 1. When we convert this fraction in its lowest term, we find 4 upon 1. It means first quantity, this is called first quantity and this is called second quantity, means first term and second term. So first term is 4 times then second. This relation, the lowest term of a fraction, is called a ratio. Is called ratio. When we compare two numbers by division method, then the relation of two numbers is called ratio, in which one quantity is divided by other. So simply if we talk about the definition of ratio, it will be the relation of two quantities obtaining on dividing one quantity by other. So one quantity on dividing one quantity by the other quantity, this is called a ratio. Ratio is the simplest form of fraction. There are different points related to ratio. So let's discuss all the points one by one. Take an example. This is 4 upon 1. This is a ratio. This ratio we can represent as 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1. Okay. So now in this ratio, in this expression, this term is called first term and this is the second term. First term of ratio is called antecedent. Suppose that this is A upon B. First term is called antecedent. Second term of ratio is called consequent. First term of ratio is called antecedent. Second term of ratio is called consequent. And one more important point related to the ratio, that there are these two quantities. Both the quantities must be of same kind and same unit. Both the quantities, suppose that take an example, this is 20 upon 7. So these both the quantities, both the terms must be of same kind and same unit. Same kind means if first quantity is of weight, another must be weight. If first quantity is of length, another quantity must be of length. It means both the quantities must be of same kind and same unit. Means if the first quantity's unit is kilogram, second quantity's unit must be of kilogram. If the first quantity's unit is in meter, second quantity's unit must be in meter. So these are two important points, that both the terms should be of same kind and same unit. Is that clear? Now the next point is, a ratio must be always expressed in its lowest term. We already discussed over this topic, over this point, that ratio is the smallest form of fraction. Ratio is the smallest form of fraction. So these are the important points related to the fraction. Now in the next video we will start to solve some questions or exercises. Thank you.